how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Outlook, then go to File in the top left corner. There you'll find Open and Export. Tap on it and then tap on import/export. Now tap on export to a file, hit next, and then choose comma separated values, and then choose what you want to export. You want to export inbox, then tap on it, put in the file name, hit next, and then hit finish. Now you can see that the exporting has begun. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.